Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Dear students, in the last class, we have started the model question paper 2, that is of the year 2024 and 25. So, model question paper of 2024 and 25 that we have started, right? And also we saw some MCQ questions and 1 marks questions and also some 2 marks questions, right? So, in today's class, we will continue. Right? We'll solve some 3 marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, and 5 marks questions. Okay. So these all questions we were solved in the last class. Yes. So have you remembered? Okay. Find the 21st term and by using elimination method, and also we solved by in the topic quadratic equation, that is 2 equal real roots. Okay. Yes. And coordinate geometry, right? So here we used section formula, right? Have you remembered? In today's session, we are going to solve next questions. That is 23rd question. In the figure, okay, xy is a tangent at the point P to a circle with center O. Q is a point on xy. Show that OQ is greater than OP. Okay. So here OQ is greater than OP. This is also one theorem, right? So OQ is greater than OP. Now, so we need to show that. That means we need to prove like a theorem. So first write down the data, whatever they have given in the statement. Okay. So whatever we know, that is data. Data. Yes. Here O is the center of the circle and P is the point, or P is a point and XY is a tangent, right? XY is a tangent and P is a point on the tangent, right? Here O is the center of the circle, and P is the point on the tangent XY. P is a point on the tangent X, right? Okay. So here they have given xy is a tangent at point P and to a circle with center O, and Q is a point on xy, and also we know that Q is a point on xy. Point on xy. Right? Now, next, to prove. What to prove? OQ is greater than OP. To prove OQ is greater than OP. Now, we'll do small construction here. Okay. That is, now see OQ is a point on the XY. They have given, right? Now, let us join this OQ. Okay. Let us join this OQ. OQ is another point on the tangent XY, and we'll join this OQ, right? So this is a construction. Q is another point on XY. Another point on XY. Join OQ. Right? Now, proof. Okay. Now, here Q is another point on the tangent XY. Okay. And Q is, P is a point on XY and Q is another point on the tangent XY. Right? Now, Where is Q? Q is outside the circle, right? Now Q is outside the circle. Here Q is outside the circle. See, one tangent, it has only one intersection point, right? So Q is outside the circle. Now, this OQ, it intersect at point R, right? This OQ, it intersect at point R on the circle, right? So Q intersect at point R on the circle. On the circle, right? So here OPQ and this OQ, it intersect at point R on the circle. Okay. Now, here OP and OR. Observe carefully. OP and OR are the radius of the same circle. Yes or no? OP and OR are the two radius and radius of the same circles are equal. Therefore, OP is equal to OR. Why? Because radius of the same circle. Radius of the same circle. Right. Next, OQ. Now take OQ. OQ means what? OQ means OR plus QR. Yes or no? OR plus QR. Now OQ is equal to OR plus QR. Right? Now observe carefully. This OQ, it is greater than OR. Yes or no? This OQ, it is greater than OR. OR is only this much and OQ is greater than OR. OQ is greater than OR. Then OR means what? OR means it is equal to, wait for a minute. Wait for a minute. OR. OR means what? OR is equal to PR. OR is equal to OP. Why? These two are same radius of the same circle. Therefore, OQ is greater than OP, where OP is equal to OR. Right? Now, OQ is greater than OP. This is the proof what we want. We want this only, this result only, that is OQ is greater than OP. Now, OP means what? OP means what? It is the distance of the distance from the point O to the tangent x1, right? OP is a distance from a point O, distance from point O to the tangent x1. Tangent x. Okay. Okay, have you understood? Shall we move to next question? Okay, next one. A toy is, wait for a minute. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of the same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. Okay, so what they have given here, one toy is there and that toy is made up of two shapes. That is, one is cone and another one is hemisphere, right? So one is cone and another one is hemisphere. So one is cone and another one is hemisphere. Okay. Now, the radius of the cone they have given, that is 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of the same radius. That means radius of the cone and radius of the hemisphere both are same. Right. Next, the total height of the toy they have given, that is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. So in order to find out the total surface area of the toy, here we need to consider the curved surface area of the cone and curved surface area of the hemisphere, right? So total surface area of the toy. Total surface area of the toy is equal to curved surface, that is CSA of cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere, right? Of the hemisphere. Now, we know the formula to find out the curved surface area of a cone, that is 2 pi RH, right? Sorry, it is cone, right? That is pi RL. So here slant height will come. So that is pi RL. Pi RL plus curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi R square. Now, my dear students, what is the value of R here? R is equal to 3.5 centimeter and L means what? L is equal to, here L means slant height they have not given, but radius and height of the full toy we know. So from that height we can find out the L, that is H square plus R square. Okay. Now, what is H here? H means full total height of the toy, that is 15.5 centimeter minus radius of the hemisphere, radius of the cone, that is 3.5. So radius of the hemisphere and radius of the cone both are same. So total height minus radius of the cone, then you will get height of the cone, that is 15.5 minus 3.5 is 12, right? 12 centimeter. 12 centimeter is the height of the cone, right? Now, R is 3.5 and H is 12 centimeter. Now, substitute the value of H here, that is 12 square plus 3.5 square. 12 square is 144 plus 3.5 square. 3.5 square is 12.25. Okay. Now, 144 plus 12.25 is 156.25. 56.25. So L is equal to square root of 156.25. Then what is the square root of 156.25? That is 12.5. Okay, 12.5 centimeter. This is the value of L. Now, substitute the value of L into this formula. So, pi RL, pi value is 22 divided by 7. Here, if they have given pi is equal to 3.14, then take 3.14. Otherwise, by default, pi value is 22 by 7. R value is 3.5 and L value is 12 plus 2 into 22 divided by 7. R value is 3.5. Square is there, therefore 3.5. Now, 7 ones are 7, 0.5. Here also, 7 ones are 7, 5 is a 35. Here 3.5 is there, therefore it is 0.5. Now, 22 into 22 into 0.5 into 12 plus 2 into 22, that is 44 into 0.5 into 3.5. If you do the addition, multiplication of these values, then you will get 137.5 plus 77. Okay. Then 137.5 plus 77 is 214.5 centimeters square. 214.5 centimeters square. This is the total curved surface area. Sorry, total surface area of the toy. Okay. Next. So this question can be asked for 2 marks. Okay. Next one. One of the zeros of a polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus k is 1 more than the other zero. Find the value of k here. Okay. Now, one of the zero of the polynomial is 1 more than the other zero. Find the value of k here. So first write down the polynomial solution. P of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus k, right? X square minus 5x plus k. So this is the polynomial. Now, here 1 0 is 1 more than the other 0. If I take alpha, here 2 zeros will come, right? So since it is a quadratic polynomial, it has 2 zeros, that is alpha and beta. So alpha I will take it as x and beta I will take it as x plus 1. X 1 more than the other 0. If 1 0 is x and other 0 is 1 more than the other 0. So x plus 1. Now, alpha plus beta value. Alpha plus beta is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus p divided by a, right? So alpha value is x here plus beta value is x plus 1 minus b value is 5 here. So a value is 1, b value is minus 5 and k, c value is k. So minus 5 divided by a value is 1. So x plus 1, that is x plus 1 is 2x. 2x plus 1 equal to minus into minus plus 5 divided by 1 is 5. So 2x is equal to 5 minus 1. 2x is equal to 4. So alpha value is 2 here, beta value is 2 plus 1, so that is 3. Okay, if I do alpha into beta, that is c divided by a, alpha value is 2, 2 into beta value is 3, c value is k, k divided by a value is 1. So 6 is equal to k, so k divided by 1 means it is k divided by 1 means k, so k is equal to 6. Find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. Okay. So here two numbers are there whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So first number will take it as X. Solution. First number, let first number be X. Then second number. What is second number? Second number will take it as the two numbers sum is 27. That means X plus Y is equal to 27. Right? Here X is first number and Y is second number. Then Y is equal to 27 minus X. Yes or no? So here Y means second number. Second number is equal to 27 minus X. That means second number is 27 minus X. Right? Now, product they have given. Product is 182. So X into 27 minus X is equal to 182. Right. So 182. Now 27 into X. 27 into X is 27X minus X square is equal to 182. Now 27X minus X square. Transfer this 182 this side. Minus 182 is equal to 0. Now, so if I write in the descending order, then this is plus 7x minus 182 equal to 0. Now, I don't want this minus sign. So, for that, I will multiply by minus 1. Then you will have x square plus 27, sorry, x square minus 27, right? X square minus into plus minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation, right? So, quadratic equation means we'll solve by factorization method. So, product should be 1 into A into C, that is 182. So, choose two numbers such that product should be 182 and middle term should be minus 27. So, x square. Here I will choose 13 and 14. So minus 13 minus 14 is minus 27 and 13 into 14 is 182. Okay. Minus 14x minus 13x is plus 182 is equal to 0. Make two groups, right? Now, x is common here. X into x minus 14 minus 13 into x plus into minus minus plus into minus minus 14. So if I take 13 common, then 14 will remain in the bracket. Then x minus 14 is one factor and x minus 13 is another factor is equal to 0. So x is equal to 14 and x is equal to 13. Right? So x is equal to 14 and x is equal to 13. So here which that means here I will take x is equal to 13. Okay. Then one number is x is equal to 37. Then second number is 27 minus x. That is 27 minus 13. So 27 minus 13 is 14. So two numbers are 13 and 14. Okay, remember. Next one. The altitude of a rectangle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, then find the other two sides. Okay. So for that, first I need to draw one right angle triangle here, right? So in right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree. I will call this as A, B, C. So whatever they have given, write down altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. That means this is base, BC is base here. So BC I will consider it as X. Then altitude, that means height of the right angle triangle, is 7 centimeter less than its base, that is x minus 7, and hypotenuse is 13 centimeter they have given. Now, so here solution, base BC is equal to x centimeter. Then altitude, here altitude is AB. AB is equal to x minus 7 centimeter, right? And hypotenuse AC is equal to 13 centimeter, right? 13 centimeter. Now, since it is a right angle triangle and we know the values of sides, then we can use Pythagoras theorem. So, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to, what is Pythagoras theorem? So, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? AC square is 13 square plus AB square is x minus 7 square whole square plus BC square is x square. 13 square is 169 is equal to, it is in the form of A minus B bracket square, right? So A square plus B square is 7 square minus 2 into A into B, right? Plus x square. So 169 is equal to A square plus 49 minus 49 minus 14x plus x square. A square means it is x square, right? Here A means x here. So this is x square. Sorry. Okay. X square. Now 169 is equal to, how many x squares are there? 2x square plus 49 minus 14x. Now 2x square minus 14x plus 49. Okay, transfer this 169 to this side, that is minus 169 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 14x plus, sorry, minus it is. Okay, now 169 minus 169 plus 49 means we need to subtract these two values. So 169 minus 49 is 120. So minus 120. Now all these values are divisible by 2. Yes or no? Divisible by 2. So 2 ones are 2 sevens are, next 2 6 are, that means 60. So x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now we'll solve by factorization method. Here product is 60 and middle term is minus 7. So that I will choose here x square minus 12 5s are 60. 12 minus 7, 12 minus 5 is 7, right? So minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0, right? Make two groups. So here x is common, x minus 12 plus here 5, because 60 can be written as 12 into 5. So 5 I have taken out. Then x minus 12 will remain in the bracket. X minus 12 is equal to 0 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. These two are the factors of this quadratic equation. Now, we are equating that factors with 0. So, x is equal to 12 and x is equal to minus 5, right? So, these two are the values of x. Now, we'll take positive value because sides of the triangles cannot be negative. Therefore, we'll take positive value. Here 12 is a positive value. So x is equal to 12 means we have considered base as x. So base BC is equal to x, that is 12 centimeter. And altitude that is AC is equal to x minus 7, that is equal to 12 minus 7 is 5 centimeter, right? Altitude is 5 centimeter. So this question can be, or this question is asked for 3 marks. Okay. Have you understood? So next question. Okay. Is it over? Have you taken? Yes. Next question. Prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square is equal to 7 plus tan A square plus cot square A, tan square A plus cot square A, right? Now, so this is the trigonometry, introduction of trigonometry, right? Now, sin square, so prove that means here two parts will come, that is LHS is equal to RHS, right? So we need to prove LHS part is equal to RHS part. For that, we'll take first LHS part. Sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. Right, sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square. Now, this is in the form of A square, A plus B bracket square, right? A plus B bracket square. Now, what is A plus B bracket square? A plus B bracket square is equal to, we know the formula, A square plus B square plus 2AB, right? Now, what is A here? A means it is sin A. Okay, and B is cosec A, right? And here, this is also in the form of A plus B bracket square. Here, A means cos A and B means it is sec A. So now, we'll write down the formula. That is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So A square means here sin square A plus B square means cosec square A plus 2 sin A into cosec A plus A plus B bracket square. Here A square is cos square A plus B square is sec square A plus 2AB. 2AB means 2 cos A into sec A. Right? 2 cos A into sec A. Now, observe carefully. 1 minute. Here, sin square is there. Sin square A plus cos square A. Right? Sin square A plus cos square A. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Why? Because this is one of the trigonometric identity that we know that cos square A plus sin square A or sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Right? So now, sin square A plus cos square A will make one group plus cos square A. Next, plus cosec square A. Here, cosec square A plus sec square A. Right? So first we'll write down this. That is 2 into sin A into cosec A means 1 divided by sin A plus 2 cos A into sec A. 2 cos A into sec A is 2 into cos A. Sec A means 1 divided by cos. Right. Plus here cosec square A is there. Right. And here sec square A is there. Right. Now we know another trigonometric identity, that is cosec square A can be written as 1 plus tan square A is equal to cosec square. Right? 1 plus tan square A is equal to cosec square A. Like that, 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A is equal to sec square A. Right? So, these all are the trigonometric identities. Now, I will write this cosec square A as 1 plus tan square A plus this sec square A as 1 plus cot square A. Right? Now, here sin A will get cancelled. Cos A and cos A will get cancelled. Okay. So what you will get? Sin square A plus cos square A is 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 2. Here also 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 1, 1 plus 1, that is 2, plus tan square A plus cot square A. Right? Next, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. Therefore, 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. We want this result only. Yes or no? So, observe here, RHS part is 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. So, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. So, it is proved. Right? Understood? This question is for 3 minutes. Now, we'll solve this in next class. We'll solve this problem. If the points A 4, 5, B 7, Y and C 4, 3 and D x 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram, then find the value of x and y. Okay. So, vertices of a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a type of quadrilateral. Why? Because it has 4 sides. Yes or no? So, parallelogram is like this. Okay. Here A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. Now, the properties of the parallelograms are opposite sides are equal and opposite angles are equal, right? Now, here AC and BD are the diagonals. Okay. When you come to the diagonals bisects each other. Okay. Diagonals bisects each other in the parallelogram. So, diagonals AC and BD bisects each other in parallelogram. So it is the property, one of the property of the parallelogram, bisects each other in the parallelogram. Okay, in the parallelogram, right? Next. So AC and BD is there. Now we'll take midpoint of AC, midpoint of the line joining of AC, midpoint of the AC, midpoint of the coordinates of the point AC, coordinates of AC, coordinates of AC is equal to midpoint of the coordinates of BC. Coordinates of BC. AC and BD, right? So, sorry, BD. BD is the diagonal. Now, what is midpoint formula? Midpoint formula, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Y1, like that, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the formula. Okay, this formula we will apply to both AC and BD. Now, here A means 4, 5 and B is 7y and C is 4, 3. Okay, and D is x2. Now, if I take from A to C, then this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2. If I take from B to D, then this is x1, y1 and this is x2, y2, right? So now, according to the formula, so x1 is 4, x2 is 4 divided by 2. Like that, y1 is 5 and y2 is 3 divided by 2. Like that, midpoint of the coordinates of BD. B to D means 7 plus x divided by 2. Like that, y plus 2 divided by 2. Now, this is the value of x and this is also value of x and this is y, this is y. Now I will equate x with x value and y with y value. So 4 plus 4, that is 8 divided by 2 is equal to 7 plus x divided by 2. Like that 5 plus 3 is 8 divided by 2 is equal to y plus 2 divided by 2. Now 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So 8 is equal to 7 plus x. Now I will transfer this 7 to this side. Then this is x is equal to 8 minus 7. That is equal to 1. Therefore, x is equal to 1. Right? So like that, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Y plus 2 is equal to 8. So transfer this 2 to this side. Y is equal to 8 minus 2. That is 6. So y value is 6. X value is 7. So x value is 1. And y value is 6. So this question is also for 3 marks. Here parallelogram will take the diagonals of the parallelogram. So bisects, diagonals bisects each other and will take the midpoint of the coordinates of AC and midpoint of the coordinates of BC. Okay. Understood? Yes. So my dear students, I will stop here only. Let us continue next problem in the next class. Okay. I hope this video is useful for your preparation for the final board exam. Okay. So study well. All the very best. Thank you. Thank you so much.